नाज़रीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। इस वक्त मैं खानक़ाह रहमानी में मौजूद हूँ। आगा अली ज़ादवी मूसवी साहब ईरान से तशरीफ़ लाए हैं, एम्बेसडर ऑफ ईरान इन इंडिया हैं ये। मैं इनका सबसे पहले जामे रहमानी खानक़ाह मुंगेर में खैर मक़दम करता हूँ। सर, मोस्ट वेलकम टू खानक़ाह रहमानी मुंगेर।
You're welcome, thank you very much. I'm at your service, sir.
You came to Khanqah Rahmani. This is a great opportunity for us welcoming you here in Khanqah Rahmani. How are you feeling here? What's the first impression carried by you in Khanqah Rahmani Munger and after meeting Amir Shariat Hazrat Maulana Ahmad Wali Faisal Rahmani?
Actually, when I came here, I saw that the spirituality and all of the situation here is really leads the visitor here to the Islam and spirituality of Islam and like these things. And after that, when we visit Amir Shariat Maulana Faisal Rahmani Sahib, we see that he is a very intellectual person which knows all of the aspects of the Ummat Islami, and he knows all about the Ummat Islami. When we talk with him, I feel I face with a person who knows about the situation of the Islam, situation of the India, and how to handle and keep this very huge democracy in the India. So I'm so hopeful, so happy that Emirat Shari has this personality leader which can lead this Emirat Shari, which a lot of programs in a right way, inshallah.
May I know, please, how long you are in India? And what's your opinion about the Indian democracy and about the present government? What's the people's thought in Iran about this?
As you know, we believe that India is the largest democracy in the world, and it should be as a pattern for all of the nations. Why? Because all of the religions live with each other. This is very important point, because in the world now, as you know, the conflicts between the sects are so grow up. So Indian should be and can be as a pattern for all of the world to tolerate with each other. I had a visit with one of the scholars of Hindu. He told me, we believe to the acceptance, not to tolerance. And this is very important point.
Exactly.
We keep this situation, inshallah.
You have given a very precious time. It is a few minutes, but it was really precious. Thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, it will be a greatness for all of us to welcome you again and to ask some more questions. Thank you so much for visiting Khanqaah Rahmani, Emirat Sharia and Hazrat Maulana Ahmad Wali Faisal Rahmani. Thank you so much, sir.